Welcome to DesignCoach. In this tutorial, we will learn how to design a tab component in Figma. So let's start with the first Figma. We are designing a line tab component. So first, for this we need a text and we just name it tab. I want to convert this into auto layout. After converting this auto layout, I need left right space 16 pixel and top bottom 8 pixels. And as a tabs we need a three state: active, normal and hover. So first we create it normal, and for the normal tab I want color, you can just use 600. Okay, for now we just use 600. You can use whatever color plates you have, and I just duplicate this, or you can copy. I will just name it hover. In the hover I need to add primary color. After hover we need a active tab. Control option and duplicate this, selecting this tab. And for the active we need border bottom. Select this border, and I want to be add 2 pixels border. Okay, in this border we need also active colors. Go to stroke, apply the primary color. So I just go here and applying the primary border. Okay, now this we have a 3 stat. I just rename it active. Okay, in this 3 stat we can just need to convert them into component. Go here, create component and create a multiple components. Okay, I just created all the tab stat into component. Now converting and combining this as a variant. Now it's into our combined component. We can just call it, name it tabs. Okay, after selecting this we can have a property, we can just name it tabs. Okay, now from this combined variant we just select one of the tab and use out of it. See, here is the one of our tab, and we can just change it from here: active, hover and active tabs. See, now in this we want to be change a text. If you want to change text, you go to the select this component variants, add new property text. Here we can just rename it tab text, and the value we want we can use just tab. Create tab name, create this property. After creating this property we have to be apply this into our tab component, selecting this text and apply tab text, selecting this, apply tab text, selecting this, apply tab text. Now we have to be convert this into auto layout. See, after converting this main component properties in auto layout, it will be show. Okay, from this we can use for our purpose tabs, selecting this and use this as a instance. This one is our one normal tabs. See, you can just selecting by here, and we want normal. Now from this 3 main component we create our entire components in this using these properties. Select this one, again I just selecting and duplicating this. Okay, again I duplicate this. Now select all the tabs and add into auto layout. In this auto layout we don't want space, and I name it tab container. Okay, This one's tab container and the all tab are in this. Now we just select this and convert them into component. After converting in this component, you can use it and see the name. You can just change it, like we want to be changed, like give some category names. So category 1, see, you can easily change the text. Category 2, category 3, and category 4. From this, any of you have to be show them as active. Just select 2, go here and name it active. See, this will be active tabs. For the more good look, we can just add one border bottom at the entire tab container. Go to the stroke, apply the border bottom, and it will be a 2 pixels. Stroke, we can just add some light gray color, so we can just show here. Okay, see, now you can see easily, you see the tab container is working good. Now with this tab container, we are creating 4 tab sections and add the prototype. I just create frame desktop. Okay, here is our tab 1. Okay, now I just use instance of these tabs and apply the grid. Okay, here is our first tab and I just make it active, and here is icon normal. Okay, and I just write the text to understand how the prototype work. Category 1 and h1 text. Okay, okay, now just duplicate this frame 2, 3 and 4 in the tab 1. This one is tab 2, tab 3, and I just make mistake. Tab 2, tab 3, tab 4. In this tab 2, we just active here and we want normal. In the active category 3, we want active and normal. In the 4, we just need category 4 active, category 1 normal, and we just change the content. So when we add the prototype, it will be show some differentiate. 3, category 2, and this one is category 1. Okay, so let's start with the prototype. Now with this tab, we are add the prototype. Selecting this tab container and go to prototype. After selecting, we just go to the tab category 2 and click point and add into the category 1. And here you can just see the on click we want tab 2 dissolve and 30 milliseconds. Okay, and now we select the category 3 and move it to category 3, and here we use the same effect for category 3, selecting 4 and moving it to 4. See, here is the 4 tab. Okay, now initiated we prototype it, just selecting this and play. See, category 2, category 3. Okay, as we know, added animation to the category slide 2, we just go and adding this tabs to screen animation, selecting this prototype and move it to first, and it will be same effect, and using this category 3 and move it to category 3, category 4 and move it to category 4, and go to the category 3 and selecting this and move it to the first, category 2 move it to category 2, category 4 select and move point to the category 4, and in the fourth tab we just select this individual and select the point and move to the category 2, and now last one is the category, select and move. After creating this prototype, we just click and preview. You can see here, you can see the preview category 2, category 3 and category 4, 3, 4 and 1. See, all the content and tabs are working fine. You can just add it your own style and design and content for your tabs and play with it. Okay, now we are in the again design mode. Hello friends, if you like this my video and tabs component, please like, comment and share. And also if you are watching this video first time, please subscribe to my channels. Thank you.